My name is Shreya. Welcome to my channel Smiling Shreya. In today's video, we are diving into the world of smart home cleaning with the brand new EUFY E28 OMNI Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. A powerful all-in-one cleaning solution with some seriously impressive features. We got a chance to try this out at our friend's house and he gave us a full walkthrough of how it works. From the hydrojet system to its 2000 PA turbo suction, and even the zero tangling technology that's perfect for pet hair and carpets. So, if you are looking for deep cleaning, edge-to-edge precision and effortless maintenance with an auto all-in-one station, this might just be the vacuum you have been waiting for. Currently available on Amazon for $9.99. Check out the link in the description for more details and the latest offers. Now let's hear from Rahul, my friend, as he explains everything in detail. Watch closely, this robot is packed with smart features.
First part is this one. This is the dirty water tank. Dirty water tank is where the dirty water gets stored. So after mopping has completed, dirty water gets stored here. So this has to be cleaned and emptied out every week. Will go back here. Is the water tank. Now this particular unit is where we fill in water. With the water we can add some disinfectants as well if needed. So we fill in the water from here. We can take any normal water, tap water, and we can pour it from here, and if we want we can add some disinfectants as well. So this has to be filled above a certain level for the mopping functionality to work. If it goes below a certain level, then the mop functionality will not work. And at that point of time, this light, this blue light LED will turn into red. So that's the indicator. Once the blue turns to red. Important portion, and we'll manually take this robo out. This is the one that does the actual vacuum cleaning. This is known as the home station. This is where it goes in and gets charged. There is a charging port that we can see. It's almost lit there. It gets charged in that way. And so few things we can see here. This is the portion from where the actual suction and the cleaning occurs. These are the two wheels which collects the dust. These are the suctioning areas which brushes and picks up the dust. So we'll see where the dust is stored. And this is the mop. Mop, once again, as we have seen earlier, depends on how much water we have and disinfectants we have. Based on that, the mop will work. So this is the portion, and these are of course the wheels which is used for navigation. Now here, this portion over here is where the sensors are. In case there is no lights, it has the functionality where it will switch on the lights and it will go and clean. It will also scan and find out and map your room based on the sensors in this front section. Next, we'll open up this particular place here and we'll see where the dust gets collected. This is almost a bi-weekly activity or maybe a weekly activity where we open this section here. Once again, this is placed. We press this one, this gets loosened. We'll bring this one out. We'll pull this one out and the dust is all collected here. So we can open this one. I won't open it too much because the dust might start flying out, but we pull out from here and all the dust that you can see here is collected in just like a vacuum cleaner. So we have to clean this one out just like the way we do any normal vacuum cleaner. Once again, it's a weekly or a bi-weekly activity depending on the state or where your home is located. And see here, there is a place here. So when the vacuum thing works, this is where the dust gets collected from. So this hole would be placed parallelly to this particular port over here, and the dusting that these brushes and the suction collects will be put in this particular box. Annual cleaning. So we don't use it that much, but let's say there are some corners that has not been cleaned by the actual vacuum, then we can lift this portion out completely and we can vacuum using this portion.
The portable deep cleaner is not properly placed.
So
please the portable deep cleaning machine has been returned.
And that's a wrap on today's look at the EUFY E28 Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. It works great effortlessly, picking up dust, dirt and pet hair while you sit back and relax. Just to recap, some of its key features include powerful suction for deep cleaning, smart navigation for efficient coverage, quiet operation that won't disturb your day, and auto scheduling to clean even when you are not home. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help you out. That's it for today. See you soon in the next vlog with more helpful information and cool tech. Until then, take care. Bye bye.